Let's talk about movement in VS Code motions. How do you do them? Well, there is movement by single letter, by single word, end of the line, start of the line, end of the page, start of the page. Let's talk about these four first. One letter is just one arrow key, like to the right it moves to right, to left it moves to left. So there's not much to it. But when you make it one word, if you take Alt, then right, it will move one word right. And if you take Alt and left arrow key, one word left. Arrow keys down is one line down, up is one line up. To move to end of the line, Command or Control, then arrow key right. To move to start of the line, Command or Control, arrow key left. So these are these four. Then we have three very important movements in VS Code. For example, we want to move to a specific line, Control G, then let's say line 11, it goes to 11 as we see. And Control G, let's say line 3, it will go to line 3. Then we have matching tagline. For example, we want to edit this tagline, but we don't know like the matching tagline. It's Control Shift / C, Control Shift / If we come here, Control Shift / say we have edited this page here, we remove this, then we close this down, then you see your program doesn't work. How do you go to last edit location? Well, it's Command K, then Command Q. It will go exactly to the location that your change has been made. Once again, close it down, Command K, Command Q. It will go to this place. For a specific word, Command F, then you can find like else. So it's just like normal find in any program. For a specific symbol, Command Shift P, then you can write like a symbol. We don't have a symbol here. To collapse, decollapse like a specific block, Command Alt square brackets left. To open a already collapsed block, we do Command Alt square brackets right. Let's say we look for something in the entire project. Say we look for the word collapse, but we are here and we don't know where collapse is. So we do Command Shift F, then we write collapse, enter, and it will show collapse anywhere in your project. So this is a very interesting feature. It has helped me a lot. To open a new line, say you are here, you want to write below, Command Enter. So that opens a new line. Let me repeat it. Say you are here, Command Enter. If you want above, Command Shift Enter. So wherever you are, above Command Shift Enter, below Command Enter. That's all movements, motions. There are many other things, but for movements I prefer, like honestly, using mouse most of the time, or you could use like something like Vim Motions extension on VS Code. Thanks.